Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PSpice Tips. Today I'm going to show how to insert and how to define error conditions and warning conditions automatically in PSpice. For that, just imagine this easy example. It is just a buck converter, and I have here this block. This block, what does is, you have here just a pin. In this pin you are defining an output voltage, whatever you want. You can put here just a 10 volts, but you could put here an equation, a function, etc. Interesting here, it is just if you want to have some kind of output here. Interesting here is the error conditions and the warning conditions. Why? Because it allows automatically to detect errors or warnings in my circuit. Just for example, if you define some kind of faults, or if you want to test automatically many things, you can define that here. For example, just imagine that I have a really important issue, and I know that I could have problems in the output voltage, so with my requirements, if my output voltage is bigger than 71 volts, for example. So what I defined here is as error condition that the output voltage is bigger than 71, I get a message over voltage, and automatically with the errors the simulation stops automatically, and you get a message. Which message? This one. You could also define warning conditions. With the warning conditions, the simulation doesn't stop, but you get different messages in the output window. Okay? To use this block comes from the library function. This library is really particular, and, from my opinion, really interesting. It comes from let's come here to the installation 17.2 tools capture library PSpice. In the PSpice libraries by default defined by Cadence, there is a folder called advanced ls, and here you have also libraries really interesting that in the past it was defined in this way, because in the past there was a differentiation between ORCAD PSpice and ORCAD PSpice Advanced Analysis. Right now this difference doesn't exist, because you can use all these libraries in all PSpice, but the structure in the installation remains. Anyway, you take from here the function OLB. Okay, for me it's already here, and this library is really cool because it is like the analog behavioral modeling. You have a lot of blocks here that you could use, and you have all of this the description of all of this block inside of the PSpice component reference guide. Okay, because they are let's say special ones. You can look for them here, okay, and you get here a description. For example, the coil spring, the behave, the current frag, etc. Okay, DC motor, and so on. Well, as much as it is placed, you define it as I show you. We simulate. And here it is. We get here, as you can see, the simulation starts, and in a particular moment it stops. You get here many warnings. This is because at the beginning the current through the inductor is smaller, a little bit smaller than 0. You get also the time, and you get the message. And when the voltage is bigger than 71, then you get here this message over voltage. The simulation stops. You know when it was reached. And you get this output window in view output window. Okay, so I hope it is interesting. If you have any doubt, just write a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe you, and we'll listen to each other in coming videos. Thank you.